guys, we are from Group 1. Member of Group 1 are...
Hi, my name is Nindanda Aulia.
My name is Hayatun Nufus.
My name is Reza Audrey Asari.
My name is Ria Putri Larasati.
My name is Vina Zahratul Fitriah Makanda.
We would like to explain about antibiotics. To get the information, keep watching and don't skip this video.
What are antibiotics? According to the U.S. National Library of Medicine, antibiotics are also known as antibacterial, a type of drug that functions to fight, destroy, and slow the growth of bacteria. The word antibiotic itself comes from Greek, where anti is interpreted as fighting and bios is life. In this case, it is living bacteria. This type of drug is often used for infectious diseases caused by bacteria. Bacteria are microscopic, life-size creatures or can only be seen with a microscope that can cause various diseases. Some types of bacteria do not cause adverse effects on health, but most of them do cause infections in the body.
Actually, before the bacteria reproduce and produce various types of enzymes, the immune system has worked to destroy and stop the bacteria. The immune system has white blood cells that are responsible for carrying out attacks. But when the body cannot handle the growth of the bacteria will continue to suppress the immune system and eventually succeed in infecting the body. When these conditions are need antibiotics. The first antibiotics made was penicillin, which was developed by one of the famous researchers, Alexander Fleming, in 1928. Since then, antibiotics have been used to treat infectious diseases that occur to the bacteria.
I would like to describe about how do antibiotics work and destroy bacteria. In general, indeed antibiotics serve to suppress the growth of bacteria that infect body. However, antibiotics are actually divided into two categories, namely bactericidal and bacteriostatic. Bactericidal is antibiotics that are to kill bacteria. This type of drug usually damages one by one infecting bacteria by destroying the bacterial cell wall so that the bacteria die. Penicillin is a bactericidal type. Bacteriostatic is antibiotics that stop the development of bacteria. When antibiotics successfully suppress the growth and development of bacteria, the bacteria will only amount to the same and not increase. That way, our immune system can handle it directly without worrying about losing.
Classification of antibiotic. Classification of antibiotic can also be done by grouping it based on its ability to fight types of bacteria, i.e. broad spectrum antibiotic, which are antibiotics that can destroy almost all types of bacteria, such as amoxicillin and gentamicin. Narrow spectrum antibiotics are a type of antibiotic that can only fight certain types of bacteria, for example, penicillin.
So, what is the actual function of antibiotics? Antibiotics are often given to treat infectious disease caused by bacteria, fungi, and parasites. But for infectious disease caused by viruses, antibiotics will not be given because basically antibiotics cannot fight viruses such as respiratory infection, sore throat, and flu. The disease cannot be treated by antibiotics.
There are some of following symptoms are rare, but they may still arise, namely risk of developing dystonus or if talking self-minimized, experiencing bulk quickening that occurs of people who consume cephalosporins sensitive to sunlight. If you take tetracycline, disorders of blood vessels might occur when drinking trimethoprim.
Can antibiotics use against bacteria? If the use and consumption of antibiotics are incorrect and inappropriate, it is risk to experience antibiotic resistance. Antibiotic resistance is a condition in which the antibiotic can no longer destroy and prevent bacterial growth. Instead, the bacteria gets stronger and immune, so that it can hinder the work of antibiotic. This usually occurs due to improper consumption of antibiotics, such as not running off, not according to doctor recommendation, or even excessive use. Bacteria that are resistant or resistant to antibiotics are usually stronger and more dangerous. In the previous situation, bacteria divide every 20 minutes, but when antibiotic resistance occurs, its development will be faster and more numerous than before. This is what makes it more dangerous than before. If resistance occurs, the doctor or medical expert will hold tissue culture to find out what types of antibiotic can effectively kill the bacteria. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe.